In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a VIP form that triggers custom sequences. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end because I've got a simple solution that makes this process much easier and more effective than you might think. Let's get right to it. First, the reason you're here is to set up a VIP form that not only collects data, but also triggers automated custom sequences. This is super powerful because it lets you tailor follow-up actions based on specific criteria, and it doesn't take long to set up at all. We'll be using a software that's perfect for creating these custom sequences, and I've tried all the popular options. Trust me, this one stands out. The best part, you can follow along with the free trial I've linked in the description below, exclusive for my viewers. Let's dive in. Start by creating your form. Most tools have a simple form builder, so once you're in the software, find the form section. You'll be able to drag and drop elements like name, email, and any other fields you need. But here's the trick. When you create a VIP form, you'll want to add a specific field that marks whether someone qualifies as a VIP. This could be a checkbox or a dropdown, whatever suits your needs. Once your form is set up with all the necessary fields, it's time to move to the automation side. This is where the real magic happens. You'll want to set up a trigger. This is the event that causes your custom sequence to activate. In the software we're using, it's really easy to set up an automation that fires once someone submits the VIP form. You can set this to happen only when the person fills in the VIP field, ensuring that only the people who qualify will get access to the special sequence you've planned. Now, for the fun part, creating your custom sequence. This is where you can get creative. A custom sequence could be anything from sending a personalized email, tagging the contact for future use, or even starting a specific workflow designed just for VIPs. The key here is segmentation. You want to treat your VIPs differently, and this automation ensures they get the attention they deserve. Once you've mapped out your sequence, go ahead and test it. It's always a good idea to make sure the automation triggers correctly and that your sequence flows smoothly. This is where you can refine things before going live with your real data. And there you have it, a VIP form that triggers custom sequences, set up in just a few minutes. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help you engage with the right people at the right time. Now here's the key takeaway. The real value of a VIP form comes from the custom sequences you can trigger. With the right setup, you're not just gathering information, you're building a targeted, automated process that serves your audience and keeps them engaged. And don't forget, if you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below, available only to my viewers. Quick recap. We created the form, added a VIP qualification field, set up the trigger for automation, and mapped out a custom sequence for VIPs. That's it. Thanks for watching, and remember to grab that free trial link in the description if you want to try out this software for yourself.